Talafalava and welcome to Samoan Storytime. Today we're going to be reading In the City. Telefoni, payphone. Ala, road. Pai, footpath. Fale o loa, shop. Ta'avale, car. Leo, police officer. Basi, bus. Fale tifanga. Fale tifanga, cinemas. Fa'ailonga, road sign. Fale tupe, bank. Fale talimalo, hotel. Ta'avale laupa sese, taxi. Have you ever been in a ta'avale laupa sese in a taxi? Give me a like if you have.